Boy, hey, what do you do for fun?
Girl, I like drawing in my free time.
Oh, nice. What do you draw mostly?
Oh, nice. What do you draw mostly?
I draw flowers and small scenes.
That sounds very peaceful.
What is your hobby these days?
I play games on my phone.
Oh, what games do you play?
I play simple puzzle games.
Puzzle games are relaxing too. Do you watch movies sometimes?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
Same. Weekends feel perfect for movies.
Yes, we get more free time.
Do you read books sometimes?
Yes, I read short story books.
Storybooks are easy and fun.
Yes, they help me learn English.
Boy, do you listen to music daily?
Yes, music keeps my mind calm.
I listen to music at night.
That is the best time.
Do you exercise every day?
I walk for 20 minutes daily.
Good. Walking is very healthy.
Yes, it keeps the body active.
Okay, I will draw now.
All right, enjoy your drawing time.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
Sure, have a good day.
You too.